So if you saw the service video for this, the Midland 77104 GTL, which is not a UK 2781 set, but it's a UK PR2794 set, so it's the same UK channels, but it's the later legislation which included a receiver minimum specification, so as such sets usually have got crystal filters as standard, which this does. So it was a dead set, and sorted it out on the previous video, but dead as far as the phase lock loop was going, and we've now got full 4 watt output and 0.43 microvolt sensitivity for 12 decibel SINAD. So it has been chuntering. These are quite weird because you've got on-off volume and squelch, just like you'd expect, but then when you pull them out, the left hand one becomes mic gain and the right hand one, when you pull it out, becomes RF gain. So I've got those set to 4. So having put it on Mega Chippie channel, we'll see whether Mr. Mega Chippie is there. We've got Mark there, no doubt he'll put something in as well. I wonder if it's full of police like it was yesterday at the 5 mile point when we did that bounded tone speedway Tango 21 test.
Yeah, stand by.
Roger. So whilst that happens, I'll put the extension speaker in. These do have PA.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Yes, Roger, I'm all ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger, Dodger.
Right, we'll pass in the house and recording.
Roger on that, and this radio doesn't have a tone control.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Lancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger, Dodger.
Passing through Lancaster service. No, we're not passing through Lancaster service station. We're passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Crossroads.
I don't know, is Mark putting you off?
No.
No, he's trying to correct me here.
That's it.
Passing the top of the hill Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on
a Midland 77-104 GTL, and that is from 1994. It's doing 4 forward output. I'm on the factory original mic, over.
Yep, roger that, all received, no problems.
Roger, Dodger.
Level crossing, only just.
Only just.
Oh, it's like that one. It's barely just going down. Got you going over Wilson level crossing.
Yeah, that was a just, wasn't it? The light, orange light come on. Yeah. Oh, there's the there's the train. Choo choo.
Don't go choo choo anymore.
More's the pity, yeah.
Past the Greyleys turn and no accidents tonight to report.
Good, it's swept away the Royal Mail van then.
Yeah, looks that way.
So it was a Nissan Leaf went into that?
Yes.
Well, I'm not sure there was a Nissan Leaf. It was a Nissan Leaf there, but given the damage to the Royal Mail van...
No, the Nissan Leaf had got total front end damage.
Oh, is it? Well, I'm wrong then.
Yeah. Yeah, that was the first thing I seen is the Leaf.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, on that go, you the 5 mile point. So I'm on this Midland 77-104 GTL, which is a PR27 94 latest specification set, and as such it doesn't have low power. So it's doing 4 watts output, it's doing 1.13 amps. I'm on the factory original mic, and over to you.
Yep, roger that. Well, it sounds fine, no problems at all.
Excellent, off you go when you're ready.
Oh, roger.
Sounds really good, nice clear set. That
is nice. Better than the new ones in the other week. Yeah. It was the 18 and the 28.
Yeah.
Shocking.
Shocking.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 142.9 and 148.7.
Roger on that. Okay, off you go, and thanks for the test.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger on that, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price today at that end, please? Over.
Yep, 142.9 and 148.7.
Roger on that. Okay, off you go, and thanks for the test.
Yep, roger that.
10-10. Ah, worked great. All that alignment, hard work paid off there, because it had all been screwed up. Okay, well, we'll go over to the base station, see what it sounds like on the Midland 76900.
Tango 21, testing the Midland 77104 GTL into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think we've got a Midland 48 next. And I will just mention, don't forget the 77104 GTL is totally different in it to any of the 77104s. It does work very well indeed. So thanks for watching.